Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm super excited to show you around this amazing AI trading platform that's going to revolutionize your trading experience. I've been testing it extensively, and I can't wait to share all its awesome features with you. Before we dive in, let me start with a quick but important disclaimer. Trading always involves risks, and while this platform is incredibly helpful, it's essential to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose, and always think of this as a tool to help you make informed decisions, not a magical money-making machine. Let's start by logging into the platform. You'll notice right away that the interface is clean and user-friendly. Take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see three super important boxes that are going to be your best friends during trading. First up is the Next Signal inbox. This is basically your trading countdown timer. It tells you exactly when to expect the next trading opportunity. What's really cool about this is that it helps you stay prepared and focused. When you see it turning yellow, that means a signal is getting close. And when it goes red, you better pay attention because something's about to happen. Right next to it, you've got the last signal box. This shows whether the last signal was a buy or sell. But it's not just showing you the direction, it's color-coded for quick reference. Green for buy signals and red for sell signals. This is super helpful for keeping track of market momentum. The third box shows you the current trend. Now, this is crucial because it gives you the bigger picture. The market can be in an uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways. Knowing this helps you make better decisions about whether to take a trade or sit it out. Now, let's look at the heart of the platform, the market selection and chart settings. See that drop-down menu labeled Market? Click on it, and wow, look at all those options. You've got indices, forex pairs, commodities. There's something for every trading style. I personally love trading volatility indices because they're available 24/7, but feel free to choose what works best for you. The tick count setting next to it is really interesting. It determines how many price points you see on your chart. If you set it to 100, you'll see the last 100 price movements. Want a longer view? Bump it up to 500 or even 1000. Just remember, more isn't always better. It's about finding what gives you the clearest picture of market movements. Those checkboxes for trend line and moving average, they're not just simple indicators, they're your technical analysis powerhouse. The trend line automatically draws itself based on recent price action, while the moving average smooths out price movements to help you spot the overall direction. I always keep both turned on because they work together beautifully to confirm trading signals. Looking at the main chart, you're probably noticing several elements. Let me break them down for you. The blue line shows real-time price movement. See how it's constantly updating? That orange line cutting through? That's your trend line. It's like your market compass, showing you the general direction things are heading. Those green lines are your moving averages, and they're absolutely crucial for confirming trends. When the price crosses above or below these lines, it often signals a potential trading opportunity. But here's the really cool part. Look for those green triangles and red squares on the chart. Green triangles mean the AI has spotted a potential buying opportunity, while red squares suggest it might be time to sell. Now, let's talk about the two ways you can use this platform, because this is where it gets really exciting. You can either use it in signals mode or auto trader mode. Think of signals mode as driving a car manually. You get all the directions, but you're in control of every move. Auto trader mode? That's like having a Tesla on autopilot. It does the work for you, but you still need to stay alert and monitor everything. The auto trader setup is where things get really interesting. Let me show you how to set it up properly. First, you'll want to set your stake amount. See that input box? Start small. Seriously, I can't emphasize this enough. Even if you're feeling confident, start with the minimum stake and work your way up as you get comfortable with the system. Next up is the take profit setting. This is where you tell the system when to cash in on successful trades. But here's a pro tip. Don't get greedy. Setting realistic profit targets is crucial for long-term success. I usually set mine around 3 to 5 units, but you'll find what works best for you through experience. The stop loss setting is your safety net. Think of it as your trading parachute. You never want to trade without it. This tells the system when to cut losses before they get too big. I typically set mine at about 20 units, but again, this depends on your risk tolerance and account size. Let's talk about the money management strategies because this is where this platform really shines. You've got several options, and each one is like a different trading personality. The auto mode is like having an AI co-pilot. It adapts to market conditions and picks the best strategy for you. Fixed percentage is your conservative friend. It always risks the same portion of your balance. Then there's martingale. Think of it as the bold risk taker of the group. It increases your stake after losses to help you recover. But be careful with this one. It can be risky. Anti-martingale is the opposite. It increases stakes after wins to maximize winning streaks. My personal favorite for beginners is the fixed ratio strategy. It's like having training wheels while you learn the ropes. The multiple trades toggle is another cool feature. When turned on, it lets you have several trades running at once. It's like juggling, exciting but requires more skill and attention. I'd suggest keeping this off until you're really comfortable with how everything works. Let's look at how the platform tracks your results because this is super important for improving your trading. The balance display shows your current account value in real time. Below that, you've got your profit tracker. Green numbers make everyone happy. The win-loss ratio helps you see if your strategy is working, and the detailed trade history lets you analyze every decision you've made. Here's something really important that many traders overlook: the duration setting. Different markets move at different speeds, so you need to adjust your trade duration accordingly. For regular markets, 15 seconds to 5 minutes is common, but for Forex pairs, you might want to look at longer durations. The platform actually adjusts the available durations based on what you're trading. Pretty smart, right? Now, let me share some tips that I've learned from using this platform. First, always start with the demo account. It's like a flight simulator for traders, all the features but none of the risks. Use this time to test different strategies and get comfortable with how everything works. When you're ready to trade with real money, start with small stakes, even smaller than you think you should. Watch how the signals perform during different market conditions. Some days the market is trending beautifully, other days it's more choppy. Learning to recognize these conditions will make you a much better trader. Monitor your internet connection. This is crucial for automated trading. The platform needs stable internet to execute trades accurately. Also, regularly check that you're logged in properly. Nothing's worse than missing good trades because of technical issues. One more thing. See that percentage display for wins and losses? Don't get too fixated on having a perfect win rate. Even the best traders don't win every trade. What matters is that your winning trades make more than your losing trades lose. It's about the long game, not individual trades. And that brings us to the end of our tour. You now know how to use every major feature of this platform. Remember, successful trading is like a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency, risk management, and staying disciplined with your strategy. I really hope this tutorial helps you on your trading journey. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with more trading tips and tutorials. I'll be sharing more advanced strategies in future videos. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, everyone!